Hey guys, here we are at my regular spot in front of the globe, but my favorite spot has changed. I'm gonna move over this way. Can you follow me? Let's see. There it is, guys. The spike is up. You can see it behind me right now in all its glory. We're gonna walk over to the hard rock and see what we can see from up top there. This is so cool to see this in person. It's so massive. This is gonna be so much fun. I cannot wait to ride this coaster. The hump going up to it just looks amazing. I don't even know what this turn is over here. This is gonna be so amazing once it's done. Let's go up on the hard rock and see what we can see from that angle. Check this out from this angle, guys. The spike is up. It almost goes over the walkway here. This is so beautiful, guys. This is my first time here since they put the spike up, and if I seem a little excited in this video, it's because I am. I cannot wait to ride this ride, guys. Oh, this is so awesome. Let's go up top and see what we can see. All right, guys, here we are up top at Hard Rock, and you can see back there. Wow, what a thing of beauty that is. This is gonna be so much fun. I cannot wait, guys. You can really see the progress from here. They have laid out a lot of track. This turn looks absolutely amazing. I cannot wait to ride this ride. I'm just trying to imagine the track layout. It looks like it's gonna curve back. Wow, guys. And there's that beautiful spike. And the colors they chose, I'm sure it was intentional to go with the globe back there. This is beautiful. Let's zoom in so you can see this color contrast with the globe. Check that out. How perfect is that? And Universal just happened to be rolling around right when I zoomed in. Yes, guys. This is such a great day at Universal. I wish you were here. I'm glad you're here with me through video though. Yeah, let's get into the park and see what else we can find out. I'm back as far as I can get by the old Ghostbusters entrance to that old show. If anybody remembers that, let me know. I'm not gonna hold the camera up any further than I could, naturally. I have it on a pole. I could show the whole thing, but I'm not gonna show something they don't want people to see. That's why the wall's up. But I believe this is either going to be a service station or perhaps the train station. I think it's gonna be the train station. I think we're gonna enter in through the old Ghostbusters house. That's what I think. Let me know what you guys think. If you think that is what it's going to be, I think that would be very, very awesome. All right, guys, let's walk around some more and see what else we can see. I wanted to show you where I am in the park. I'm back here by Harry Potter, and we're looking all the way across the lake. And if I zoom in, it'll start to come into view. It really, really stands out in the skyline, guys. This is such a sight to see in person. This makes me so happy to see that coming together. I cannot wait to ride this ride. Let's zoom in. That's as close as I can get from across the lake. But what a beautiful view looking over the lake now. I cannot wait to see that coaster going up to the top of that spike, guys. It's gonna be so awesome. Are you guys gonna ride it first day? I'm planning on being here for opening day. Hopefully I can buy some type of special pass. If I can't, I'll stand in line for 10 hours to be one of the first guys on that coaster. Do you guys feel that strongly about it? If you do, let me know in the comment section. Let's walk around and see what else we can find. The adventure begins. Never gets old. But let's get back into the park and find a quiet place and talk about Hagrid's. I thought standing here in front of the Lost Continent work walls would be a good place to talk about something else going away. Next month, Express Pass for Hagrid's will be gone indefinitely. We don't know if it's coming back. I don't think it's probably going to come back. If it is, it's probably going to be a long time. It did not have Express when it first opened. It didn't have Express for years. So I guess it was something they were trying, and they've decided that it is not working out. The line's just getting too long for regular non-Express riders. It kind of bums me out because I paid money for a premium pass, and I have Express one ride per day every day, but that's going away. I'm not too happy about that. And I also stay at premium hotels a lot when I come down. Part of the reason I stay there is for that Express Pass. So I'm not too happy about it, but at the same time, I understand why they're doing it. The Express line really slows down the regular line, and it just lessens the chance of people coming here getting a chance to ride the coaster. So I think it makes it fair across the whole lines. I'm also going to be interested to see what does that do to the lines over at Velocicoaster. Is that going to affect those wait times? Will people go to Velocicoaster to ride that coaster instead of Hagrid's now? If you've already ridden Hagrid's once, would you go ride Velociter twice? I probably would. I don't know if I'll wait in line. I'll wait in line for it. I love it. It's an awesome ride. You know I'll wait for it. But yeah, Lost Continent is definitely going away. We got work walls. I can't see back there. I hope to get a view in the park. If I do, of some cranes or destruction, I'll show you guys that. But let me know what you guys think about Express Pass going away for Hagrid's next month, indefinitely or indefinitely. If you like it or don't like it, let me know below. I got to get up kind of high to share this with you because it's getting kind of low. Let me spin the camera around. I hope you can see how beautiful that sunset is. That's why I come here, scenes like that. All right, guys, this is the real sign off. Have a great evening.